Welcome back to this clown's garage. In this video I show you how to replace a blower motor for a Thirdgen, which is an 82 to 92 Camaro / Firebird. And I also have a video on how to troubleshoot the whole HVAC system, the blower motor heating assembly, this whole circuit I mean. So check out my channel for that. Also subscribe to me. Alright, so here you have 7mm bolts. Before I do that, oops, sorry about that. You take off this clip here, you pull this up, then you pull this out. And you try to move the wires away from it as much as you can. You can put a bungee cord here and move stuff over with it. And just strap it somewhere. Yes, I said strap it. Next thing is, these are 7mm bolts here, so you can take those off. Alright, now over here, you see this hose over here, you just take that right off, and there's a bolt right under there. Like I said, these are 7mm bolts, and what I'm going to do to get to that is I'm going to use a 1/4 inch swivel with a 7mm socket on it. Let's see if I can fit that down there. Alright, it came out a little bit. Okay, that came out, as you can see. So that's what you need to take that out. So that's the other side. I'm going to use the same technique. Okay, now you're ready to take this out. As you can see down here, there's locating pins over here that stick out a little bit. I don't know if you can see that right there. That's a locating pin. So now you can just pull the whole thing right out. Just like that. That's what that looks like. The little locating pins I was talking about is right there. One right there, which I hope you mount it. It's all about mounting the hole, baby. It's all about mounting the hole. Alright, now let me show you a little trick here. This over here goes up and down. So what you could do is you could take this off and mount it on here, the new blower motor. Then just put this one bolt on and you're good here. And you can put the locating pin, you can line that up and you can just pop it in one shot. And so let me show you. So once you do that, you have 1, 2 bolts you have to put in. Those 2 and that's it. And of course this one up here. So minimize the effort once you put it back in. So that's a little trick. So let me just take this off now. That's also a 7mm bolt. And I'll show you how that goes on, how that mounts onto the blower motor. Alright, now that you have this thing off, you get yourself some carburetor spray or brake cleaner and just spray this, oops, spray this down and clean it with a scraper and get all that off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Same thing over here. You spray this down with brake cleaner and just clean the whole thing down. Make sure there's nothing on here. also down here. Clean all that off. Scrub it down, baby. Scrub it down. Alright, now this is all clean. Also, the car is thoroughly cleaned. Now this is how this goes. This piece, there's like a little dowel key over here that goes in that hole from behind, baby. And over here. So you put one bolt here, one bolt there. And then when you put it back in the car, it just slides in and you just put this 7mm bolt in. Now before you do that, make sure you put some Ultra Black from Permatex over here, some RTV silicone, because you know once you go black what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Make sure you put a lot over here. A nice thick bead. Nice thick and black, baby. Thick and black. Or is it black and thick? Whatever you prefer. Alright, now you put this bad boy on. Goes just like this. Now I'm going to put the bolts in. Alright, now you put the two bolts in. Now if you can't locate the bolts, just get an awl or something pointy and you can just locate the hole that way. But since I'm a pro locating holes, I didn't need to do that. That's what the clown's for. Okay, now you put your bolts in. And as you can see, you're good in there. Now to go to the car. Alright, now over here you could put black RTV all around here, or you could put it on the inside of the blower motor. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, now that you did that, you go ahead and put this in. Now first thing to do is get the dowel caught on the bottom right there and get this bolt up here caught over here, and that's the longer of the bolts, so make sure you put the longer one on the side because it goes on top over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright, now that you caught the top over there, you could just give it a nice firm push and the bottom is going to go into, you see the dowel over there? It's sticking out. So now you can go ahead and put the other bolts in, and installation is opposite of removal. As you can see, it forms a nice seal all the way around over there. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. You know you want to. Also, check any box underneath. Share me, like me, and do whatever the hell you want to me on there. There's plenty of this clown to go around. Thanks for watching.